Alright, so we want to do a little mini lesson right now on how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. So we'll start off with the improper fraction of 8 over 5. Okay, so let's say we had the improper fraction of 8 over 5 and we're trying to change that to a mixed number. First thing I'm going to do is you always write the denominator on the outside. So the denominator here is 5. Denominator goes here, the numerator goes on the inside. And now I want to go ahead and quickly assess how many times does 5 go into 8. If you've been working on your multiplication tables, you know that 5 goes into 8 one time. So 5 times 1 is 5. Now we subtract, that makes 3. We determine at this point, we can see that 5 doesn't go into 3 because 5 is too large. So at this point we can stop. This 1 is the whole number, part of our mixed number. The 3 is the numerator, part of our mixed number. And the 5 is the denominator. Okay, so when we write our final answer, we write it as 1 3/5. So 1 is 3 over 5. Okay? So let's take a look and see what will happen if we have some larger numbers. So let's take a look at another quick example and then this lesson will be over with. Alright. So let's say I had the improper fraction 78 over 9, okay? So once again, the denominator goes on the outside, the numerator goes on the inside, and now we want to figure out how many times does 9 go into 78. Well, you've been practicing, you know that 9 goes into 78 8 times. 9 times 8 is 72. Oops, excuse me, when you subtract, alright, you're going to get 6. And once again, this is your whole number. This is the numerator. And this guy here is the denominator. So we write it as 8 and 6/9. And if you notice here, 6/9, you should realize that these two, this can be reduced, okay? You want to always reduce your fractions. Always, always, always. Simplify is the word for pre-algebra. Well, when you're in elementary school, they use the word reduce, but as you move on, you're going to hear simplified fractions. So we want to go ahead and do that. 3 goes into both of those. So now that's going to become 8 2/3, and that's our final answer. Okay, that's how you change an improper fraction to a mixed number. Okay, all right. I hope this helped out.